prefixes in and under. Now we will look at these two examples of prefixes. In, it also has a meaning, and under also has a meaning. What happens to a word when a prefix in is added to it? Let us look at this example. Inconvenient. So, in has been added to convenient, and inconvenient becomes a word that is opposite in meaning to the basic word convenient. Similar is the case with consistent. When in is added to consistent, it becomes inconsistent. Inconsistent is the opposite of the word consistent. Human. The word human becomes inhuman when the prefix in is added to it, to make it a word which is opposite in meaning to human, and it becomes inhuman. Incomplete is a word opposite to the basic word complete. By adding in as a prefix to the word complete, it becomes a word which is opposite in meaning to the basic word complete. So it becomes incomplete. However, by looking at these examples, it is not confirmed that there are not other meanings in opposite to the words which are made opposite by adding in. For example, inconvenient can also be having a meaning of difficult, but as using in the text, it is more recommended that the word inconvenient be used as an opposite to convenient. But it is not only restricted to this word by adding a prefix making it an opposite word to the basic word. Underage. Under is a prefix here, and the basic word is age. So underage would actually not be talking about the age of a person in opposite to the basic meaning of the basic word age. Rather, again, like over, it will be describing the age. It would be defining the word age. So, in other words, we can say that this prefix here is acting as an adjective similar to the prefix over. When over is added to the word, it does not become a word opposite in meaning to the basic word, rather it adds to the definition of the word. Similarly here, underage is defining a age which is defining the how much age is being talked about. Underestimate. Estimate is a verb, and underestimate is again defining the action of estimating. That means it is not really changing the meaning of estimate to be the opposite of the basic word. Rather, it is defining or adding to the verb estimate. The estimate which is being done is under the required standards or under the expected standards. So that is why it is called underestimate, but it is not word opposite in meaning to estimate. The same goes for underdeveloped. Developed is the word which is basic, and it is not making a prefix addition to change the word into opposite in meaning. Rather, it is defining the development. Underdeveloped.